Welcome to TeenyCoders. Let's see how you can book and join free trial class at TeenyCoders. To book a free trial class for your kids, please follow the given steps. In first step, visit the TeenyCoders website and click on Book Free Class button. In second step, fill the following information such as first name, last name, WhatsApp number, email ID, choose grade, choose gender, enter new password for system login, confirm the password, choose the languages you can speak, and click on Yes option if you have laptop for class, because it is compulsory to take trial class on the laptop for best class experience, and after that click on Continue button. In third step, choose your favorite course and suitable time slot according to your child availability and click on Book Now button. Congratulations! You have booked your free trial class and you will receive a confirmation email shortly. Before joining the free trial class, please install the Zoom app on your system or device. There are two ways to join your free trial class. 1. Firstly, open your confirmation email and click on the Join Class button to join the class. Secondly, visit our learning management system through this link islms.teenycoders.com, log in. After login, scroll down in Dashboard section and click on Join Class button in Today Class section to join the class. Thank you for choosing TeenyCoders for your kids.